this is Gabrielle with Endress Analytics again, and this week's tutorial is going to focus on how to set up goals within Google Analytics. So I'm right now logged into my account, and this is again, as I mentioned last week during the interface tutorial, the default screen that you get when you log in. And from here, if you want to get into setting up your goals, you want to go into your admin screen. So click on admin. And over here, it gives you access into things about your account, your property, etc. And we're going to go over here. So I've got, I'm on my website and looking at all website data, and you can actually have different accounts looking at different sections of your site, that kind of thing. But for right now, I just need to go under here and go to goals. So click on that. I have not yet set up goals for tracking on my site with this account, so I am going to go ahead and create one for the first time by clicking on New Goal. And then they've got a whole bunch of things here, like by default goal setups, or you can do a custom. I'm going to go ahead and use the Contact Us goal template. Since that's one of the things that's actually a goal of mine, is to get more people to contact me through my website, and so that is a conversion that I want to track. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and then go on to the next step. Alright, so then so this is the name of the goal, is Contact Us, and the type, so you can have different types of different ways of measuring this goal. The default here is destination to a thank you page. You can have duration, like how long someone is on the page, how many page screens per visit, any specific custom events that you've set up, etc. In this particular case, my goal is how many people get to the thank you page after clicking submit on the contact form. So that's the one I'm going to select. Alright, now here is the goal details. So we want to have a destination, and I need to get to basically the thank you page. So in order to do that, here is my website, here is my contact form. Alright, and then when people fill this out, it sends them to a thank you page, which may or may not be thank you without filling out the form. Okay, so here is the thank you that people would see after submitting the form. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that URL, and we're going to go ahead and paste it in here. And you can either do equals to, begins with, or regular expression. And equals to is perfectly fine here. And I'm not going to set it to case sensitive. Now we have some optional things here. Value optional, assign a monetary value to the conversion. I don't do e-commerce on my site, and so I am not going to assign a monetary value. The second one is funnel. Specify a specific path towards the destination. And that's kind of what I'd like to do here, is because I do like to see funnel traffic. Alright, so step one. So I want to see how many people are coming from the home page, and then going, so just grabbing that right here, taking the home page. Is it required? No. So I'm not going to make the home page required, but I'm going to add a second step, and I'm going to do contact. So get the whole URL here, like that. Okay. And then of course the destination is the thank you page. So these are the steps. So let's see, we can verify this goal. So we can see how often this goal would have been converted to on your data for the past 7 days. So let's go ahead and click on that. And I would have had a 0% conversion rate, which is true. I have had no one submit anything on my contact form recently. But that's okay. I'll go ahead and just click Create Goal. And there we have it. And it's recording the goals right now. And then, just as a quick thing, going back into reporting, once I actually start getting data in that goal, here is the goals conversions. So we can go ahead and take a look at the overview. Obviously there's no data in it right now, but if there was, you would see the goal conversions, etc. Goal URLs, other URLs within the goal, etc. Goal flow, how people are flowing through. And here you can see this is just a standard flow diagram similar to the visitor's flow, starting with sources like from direct traffic, Google traffic, etc. and just seeing how people are flowing through the specified pages that I've mentioned that will be in this particular flow. And then we also have the funnel visualization, which right now everything is 0, but this is like if I had 50 people hit the home page and maybe 2 people hit contacts and one of them submitted the contact information, we would see that over here, and that would give us a conversion rate. But anyway, that is how to set up your goal funnels and just setting up your goals in general. And if you have any questions or if you would like me to demonstrate some of the other types of goals, so let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, any other goals you'd like me to look at, or any other kinds of things that you would like to see as a tutorial. I would greatly appreciate that feedback. And please like this video if you found it useful. Please share it if you found it useful. And if you haven't yet, I would appreciate a subscription. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.